get ready with me, I'm starting with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and using the Tarte brush to blend it in. And then I'm using some Catrice Under Eye Brightener. And then I'm applying e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And then the Saie Super Glowy Gel in Sunglow. And I'm using this as my foundation. And I'm using the BK109 brush to apply it. It's one of my favorite all-purpose brushes. And you can build this coverage to get as much coverage as you want. And then the Wet n Wild dual-ended contour and highlighter. And this is a wonderful go-to product. And easily blendable. And I like to use a little for eye contour as well. And then again, I'm blending with the BK109 brush. This brush is just so versatile. You can see it's just blending everything perfectly. And then I'm setting this with e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. And I would normally use a puff powder pad, but I don't have one with me, so I'm using a big brush. And then the Milani Baked Powder Blush. Then LA Girl Ultimate Intense Eyeliner in Super Bright. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And Styla Eye Pencil for just a little bit of a wing on the outer corner of my eye. e.l.f. Eyelash Curler, and I like to do it 3 times, moving it up the lash, and then Wet n Wild Volume Waterproof Mascara in black. I like to use multiple coats because I have blonde eyelashes, and it makes a difference. e.l.f. Lip Liner, and I line not to the outer corners because it gives a more pouty look. e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine, and then e.l.f. Glow Revivor Lip Oil and Candy Coated. e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray for a dewy look that lasts all day.